I'm just doing a quick update today because it's something pretty exciting. We've just had a delivery of his new Greenstalk vertical planter, and we can't wait to get setting it up. So it basically comes like that, all the different sections. We've got the watering trays you put in between each section so everything gets an equal watering. And we also got the spinner base. I don't think these come with the planter, you buy these separate, but it allows you to spin the whole thing round so everything gets equal amounts of sunshine. So pretty useful. And we didn't buy this new planter. It was very kindly donated to us by Judith, who's now supplying these within UK. And you can find them on a website, and it's called Rooted in Bolton. So they've got a couple of different colours, and they are a bit cheaper than getting them from abroad, which is great. Also, Judith runs a non-profit charity organisation, so she offers support for people that might want to do this sort of thing, but at the moment can't really afford it. Also, she works with churches and various other charities, and any money made from these planters then goes into those charities. So definitely a worthwhile cause. But she donated this to this channel, so thank you so much for that, Judith. That is really generous of you. So all we need to do now is get it put together, get it set up outside somewhere nice and secure away from winds, although I'm sure that when it's full of compost it's going to be very stable, because these sections aren't just one pocket, the whole thing is what you fill with compost, so that's going to be quite heavy. The only thing I would say is if you get one of these planters, make sure you stand it perfectly level, and I think if you do that you'll have no problems with them. You also get full instructions on how to set them up as well, so that's really good. Another good thing is you do get a list of things on here, and the important one being how much compost each section needs, so you can just nip out and get it all in one go, and then you're ready to set it up, whether you use it for plants that's already grown or you sow seeds in it. I think we're going to do a mixture of both. So probably at some time tomorrow we'll pop out and we'll get some compost. I haven't had time to do that today because of work, but I'm really looking forward to getting this set up, getting it planted up and see how it goes. So once again, thank you so much, Judith, for your generosity. I really do appreciate you donating one of these to his channel. It's just another brilliant addition to his caravan container garden. And just before I go, also thank you very much to Steve & Co for making a donation to the channel as well. Really appreciate that, Stephen. Thank you so much. So we'll put that money back into the channel and we'll get this set up as soon as we can. So if you're interested in getting one of these vertical Greenstalk planters, I'll leave a link in the description to Judith's website, which is called Rooted in Bolton. So you can pop over there and have a look through the options.